Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm talking about something a lot of people are low-key embarrassed about, toenail fungus. And this little thing right here, the Orivelle Fungus Pen. And yeah, we're going straight into it. Is Orivelle a scam or does it actually do anything? All right, story time. For me, it started with one ugly nail that I kept trying to hide in socks and closed shoes. You know that feeling when you look down and think, wow, that looks bad? That was me. I tried the usual stuff, cheap creams, random sprays, even those soaks people recommend online. Either they did nothing or they made my skin feel dry and irritated. So when I saw the Orivelle Fungus Pen, I was very skeptical. A pen that fixes nail appearance? It sounded like one more internet gimmick. But I kept seeing it pop up, and I like that it uses plant-based ingredients, things like tea tree oil, vitamin C, grapeseed oil, and other botanicals instead of harsh chemicals. So I finally grabbed one and decided to test it properly. Using it is honestly the easiest part. You twist the bottom. The liquid comes into the brush, and you just paint it over the nail and the skin around it. I did that twice a day, morning and night, on clean, dry nails. No burning, no strong chemical smell. It feels more like a light oil serum than a drugstore cream. Now, here's what actually happened. In the first 2 days, I didn't see a miracle, but the area felt less itchy and less dry. After a couple of days, I noticed the nail didn't look as thick and chalky on top. Over time, I started seeing healthier looking nail growth coming from the base. Not movie perfect feet, but definitely less yellow and less embarrassing. Is it magic? No. Did it completely fix everything in one night? Definitely not. But for me, it improved the look and feel of my nails more than the random stuff I'd tried before. Let me be honest about the pros and cons. What I like. The pen format is super convenient. No mess, no creams all over your hands. The ingredients are more natural, which I personally prefer. It didn't irritate my skin, which is big for me. Things to know. You have to be consistent. If you're lazy with it, you probably won't see much. So, is Orivelle a scam? In my experience, no. It's not a miracle product, but it's also not just some useless pen. For me, it helped my nails look clearer, healthier, and less embarrassing over time. I do recommend it if you have sort of embarrassing nail fungus that you need to remove for good. Click the link in the description below to get one for yourself. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another honest product review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.